All ready? All right.
And I was asking for a chance, and I see you getting all right. I can't understand.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Antonio Matuire and I own a 2017 BMW 340i. So in today's video, we're actually going to be meeting up with some friends and just trying to get some runs in, going to an undisclosed location. If you guys have seen one of my previous videos where I did my like 0 to 60 times, 60 to 130 times, same location, nice straight road, middle of the desert. So pretty much just going out there and, as always, just getting some good content for you guys. I am almost empty, so let me go ahead and pump some gas real quick and then we'll head to the spot. Alright, got gas in the tank. Let's go ahead and head to the spot. Alright, so we're getting close to the spot now, but for those of you that are new to the channel, my car is currently tuned with boot mode. I'm on an E50 Stage 2 Plus custom tune. I have an upgraded Pure 800 turbo and I have a Dorch Stage 2 high pressure fuel pump. We got a few cars out here. Got some Mustang boys back there. We got some trucks. Lots of American muscle. Mustangs over here, Camaros over there. So yeah, might be a fun day, Ooh, for it to be Vegas, man, it is cold today. It is cold, but we out here. I was waiting a little bit longer for more people to show up, but more people have showed up. Before we look at everyone else's car, check out the beauty right here. It's nice, it's not anything special. Those of you that are new to the channel, this is my 340 right here. Pretty simple, tastefully modded. On to the next. We got a Charger right here, some trucks, Camaros, more Camaros. This is pretty cool. It's a Saab. Sounds really good. Oh, that bike's going. Yeah. Homie brought his Tesla out here. Never ridden in one, so he said we're gonna go for a little ride. It's clean, man, with the red interior. Oh my god, that is insane, man. Yeah, there is nothing that's gonna beat that off the line, man. That is insane. Jesus. The Mustang boys rolling now. Uh-oh. I think Maroon came back. Oh, Maroon came back. What's your guy here? SRT. Oh, I should be racing this one right here. Alright, now we got an SRT. It looks like a 5.0. SRT got him! SRT got him. Alright, for whatever reason, a lot of people are dipping, but I'm gonna try to do a run. Hopefully with somebody. Shit, at this point I'll run anybody. I really don't care. Let's see. Alright, so the only one that won the race was this Ducati, so I'm about to race a bike. Let's see how that goes.
You probably get me.
I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see.
I don't want to.
I don't either, and I usually spin, so we'll see. We do a quick little burnout. All right. gonna call it? Who's gonna call it? Can you hear my horn if I honk it? Yeah. Okay, I'll do 3 honks. So we'll go on 3. Alright, ready? Alright. Got me. Damn, y'all. That Ducati is fast, man. It was a pretty good run, though. I'm surprised. Like, my car took off. Like, took off. That was a good run. Oh, that don't sound right. That don't sound good at all. Thing is nice as hell, man.
He's on rear. He's got. I thought he was all wheel, but he's on slick in the rear. So.
I'm rear wheel. Right? I'm rear wheel. I wish I was all wheel. That'd be nice.
Yeah, dude, Brandon or whatever.
All right, we got my Tesla boy on the line. He about to run the Ducati now. Okay, I got you. You're good. All right, ready, go. Uh-oh, he's catching up. Low-key Tesla jumped though. Tesla low-key jumped though. But this man's ready. He came with the meat. He said call him Arby's. Look at that. Come on now. God damn. They're gonna run it back. Tesla and the Ducati gonna run it back since Tesla jumped a little bit. Got to get a fair race here, y'all. Fair. Are you good? Okay. All right, ready, go. Okay, the Ducati's coming back. He's coming back. Oh yeah, he got him. That is a really good race though. Those Teslas fly off the line, man. All right, y'all. Well, we got a run-in with a Ducati. He reeled me in pretty quick. No, I'm pretty happy with it, to be honest. The launch was great. I was actually able to do like a clean burnout launch. I didn't really lose traction, maybe just a couple of times, but it wasn't that bad. That Ducati's quick, man. When you're dealing with a pretty much 1000cc bike, the weight difference is dramatic. I got him off the line, but then he reeled me in pretty quick. But like I said, still pretty happy with it, and I love how the car feels now. Definitely feels a lot faster now that I have the correct tune. Night and day difference. I still got to get some times for you guys in a different video. Probably within my next couple of videos, I'll get some 0 to 60 times for you guys, as well as some 60 to 130 times. But after that run, my car was making this really loud like squeal noise. I don't know if you guys heard it in the video. I want to make sure my car is 100% before I get accurate times for you guys and before I get it dynoed. My check engine light did come up a couple of days ago, so it looks like the tank ventilation system. So that's a common issue on this chassis. Yes, I checked my gas cap. It's not that. I'm probably gonna have to replace the breather valve. It's a pretty simple install. But that's all for today. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out tremendously. If you're not already subscribed to the channel and you like content like this, please consider subscribing. And as always, Matuire fam, remember your goals and don't stop till you reach them. Peace.
Excited just to see me. Wish I felt the same way. Later on, she'll probably get a name change. People changing on me like they gain weight. I wish that I waited on